Welcome to Product Plus. Discover the ultimate collection of innovative home and lifestyle gadgets, from smart kitchen tools and cleaning essentials to space-saving organizers and tech accessories, each designed to simplify daily routines and elevate your everyday living experience. All products links in the description section below. Stay cool wherever life takes you with this ultralight clip-on fan. Whether you're working, traveling, or out for a walk, its whisper-quiet power and 100 adjustable speeds deliver personalized comfort. Clip it on, feel the breeze, and make every moment refreshingly easy and hands-free. From backyard barbecues to campsite feasts, this portable gas stove keeps your cooking game strong anywhere. Lightweight yet powerful, it delivers steady heat for every dish. Just spark it up, savor the aroma, and enjoy effortless meals wherever adventure or hunger takes you. Keep hydration simple and stylish with this 2-gallon water dispenser. Its crystal clear Triton design fits neatly in your fridge, ready for effortless pours anytime. Perfect for families, workouts, or gatherings. Just fill, chill, and sip your way to refreshment all day long. Bring calm to your clutter with these clear, stackable storage containers. Perfect for organizing closets, kitchens, or craft spaces, their sturdy, latching design keeps everything tidy and easy to find. Simplify your space store smart, stack neatly, and enjoy the satisfaction of stress-free organization. Keep cups clean, organized, and always within reach with this sleek wall-mounted dispenser. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or gyms, it saves counter space while adding convenience. Just mount, fill, and enjoy easy, hygienic cup access, simple, tidy, and ready whenever you are. Meet the backpack that redefines travel ease. With built-in vacuum compression, you'll pack smarter, travel lighter, and stay effortlessly organized. From quick getaways to long adventures, this carry-on companion keeps everything secure, spacious, and ready for wherever your next journey leads. Experience effortless deep cleaning with this versatile steam cleaner. Its powerful steam cuts through grease, grime, and stains. No harsh chemicals needed. Compact, portable, and built for every surface, it makes refreshing your home simple. Just fill, steam, and enjoy spotless results that feel naturally fresh. Keep your drinks perfectly hot or cold wherever you go with this stainless steel insulation cup. Its durable, sporty design makes it ideal for workouts, travel, or daily use. Sleek, portable, and reliable, it's your go-to hydration companion for staying refreshed anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. Say goodbye to messy splatters and wasted foil with this versatile silicone splatter cover. Heat-resistant and food-safe, it doubles as a steamer or lid for any pot, bowl, or plate. Easy to clean, eco-friendly, and endlessly reusable, your kitchen just got smarter and tiddier. Savor hot meals anytime with this cordless electric lunchbox. With 5-sided surround heating and a built-in battery, it warms food evenly in minutes. Compact, portable, and convenient, it's perfect for work, travel, or outdoor adventures. Just pack, heat, and enjoy fresh, satisfying meals. Make perfect, restaurant-quality tortillas effortlessly with this heavy-duty cast-iron press. Its non-slip feet and pre-seasoned surface ensure smooth, safe pressing every time. Ideal for tortillas, quesadillas, and more. Just press, cook, and enjoy fresh, homemade creations anytime in your kitchen. Turn your backyard into a fun, refreshing oasis with this inflatable pool. Quick to set up and built with durable, puncture-resistant materials, it's perfect for family play, relaxation, and cooling off on hot days. Splash, swim, and enjoy endless summer memories together. Make dishwashing effortless and safe with these durable wire gloves. Waterproof, comfortable, and tough on stains, they handle dishes, scrubbing, and hot items with ease. Protect your hands while cleaning efficiently. Just slip them on and tackle chores confidently, quickly, and comfortably every time. Keep your treasures beautifully organized with this elegant jewelry box. Its layered compartments, removable dividers, and anti-tarnish lining protect and display necklaces, rings, and earrings perfectly. Compact, stylish, and practical. Just open, arrange, and enjoy easy access to your favorite pieces every day. Upgrade your kitchen routine with this 4-in-1 rotatable strainer set. Wash, drain, and prep vegetables, fruits, pasta, and more effortlessly. With ergonomic handles, non-slip base, and versatile graters, it makes cooking, shredding, and straining faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable every day. Upgrade your bathroom routine with this easy-to-install bidet seat. Ultra-slim, hygienic, and adjustable, it delivers gentle, effective cleaning while reducing toilet paper use. Simple, eco-friendly, and comfortable. Just attach, adjust, and enjoy a fresher, healthier, and more refreshing bathroom experience every day. Transform cluttered cabinets into organized, accessible spaces with this 3-tier pull-out organizer. Smooth, soft close drawers maximize storage while keeping items visible and within reach. Durable, easy to install, and versatile. It's the perfect solution for kitchens, bathrooms, or anywhere you crave tidy, efficient storage. Bring the bar home with this smart margarita machine. Just insert a cocktail capsule, select your strength, and enjoy mixologist quality drinks in seconds. Effortless, fun, and easy to clean. Perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or exploring new cocktails without the hassle of a full bar setup. Make perfect rice effortlessly with this compact, versatile rice cooker. Controlled heat technology ensures fluffy grains every time, while the auto keep warm and dishwasher safe design simplify cooking and cleanup. Ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or travel. Just measure, cook, and enjoy consistently delicious rice. Keep your kitchen or workspace tidy with this premium stainless steel paper towel holder. Its weighted base, single-handed tier feature, and ergonomic handle make grabbing towels effortless. Durable, versatile, and ready to use. Just place, tier, and enjoy convenience wherever you need it most. Protect your valuables with this heavy-duty, fire-resistant safe. Featuring triple-layer steel, adjustable shelves, and a smart alarm system, it secures jewelry, cash, and documents. Durable, customizable, and easy to organize. Just store, lock, and enjoy peace of mind knowing your treasures are safe. Get every drop of juice effortlessly with this heavy-duty citrus squeezer. Designed for stability and ease, it presses lemons, limeys, oranges, and more without electricity. Quick, efficient, and easy to clean. Just squeeze, pour, and enjoy fresh, vibrant juice anytime, hassle-free. Make laundry simple and efficient with this twin tub washing machine. Wash and spin simultaneously or separately, handling large loads with ease. Compact, portable, and easy to operate. Just load, set your mode, and enjoy clean, fresh clothes faster, anytime, anywhere. Tackle stains and spills effortlessly with this portable cleaner machine. Lightweight yet powerful, it reaches carpets, furniture, and auto interiors with its 6FT hose. Compact and easy to store, it makes cleaning quick, thorough, and hassle-free. Just spray, scrub, and enjoy spotless surfaces. This foldable Bluetooth keyboard combines portability and performance with a multi-touch touchpad, triple device connectivity, and a rechargeable battery lasting up to 80 hours. Its magnetic PU leather case doubles as a stand, making it perfect for travel, remote work, and on-the-go productivity. Bring the bar experience home with this sleek beer dispenser, keeping every pour crisp and cold. Its spacious keg capacity, smooth rolling casters, and CO setup make hosting effortless. Perfect for parties or relaxing weekends. Just tap, pour, and enjoy your favorite brew anytime in ultimate convenience. Enjoy spotless floors in minutes with this lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner, offering up to 50 minutes of runtime and powerful suction. Its 5-stage filtration system captures 99.9% of particles, while LED lights, anti-tangle brush, and flexible design make everyday cleaning effortless and efficient. Transform your viewing experience with this Govee TV Backlight 3 Pro, featuring HDR image capture, triple camera precision, and LumenBlend RGB WWIC LEDs. It delivers vibrant, theater-quality colors. Enjoy seamless smart home integration, AI movie matching, and smooth synchronization for immersive, cinematic lighting that reacts to your favorite content. Enjoy big screen entertainment anywhere with this 2025 upgraded mini projector. Featuring built-in streaming apps, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and 180 ceiling projection, it delivers 108p clarity, vivid visuals, and effortless portability, perfect for bedrooms, dorms, travel, or cozy movie nights at home. Beat the heat anywhere with this 4" portable fan. Designed for ultimate convenience, it clips to your waist, hangs around your neck, or sits on your desk. With 4 adjustable speeds, powerful airflow, and long battery life, it keeps you cool during work, travel, or outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home and kitchen finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.